Hi, I'm Kit Rich. This is an ab routine. You don't need any equipment, just yourself. It's a quick routine, so listen up. If you want to do it again, just replay the video. You can do it one more time or even two more times if you want a bit longer, or you can add this to one of my longer routines for a little extra kick. You ready? Let's begin. I'm going to have you down onto your back. I want to demonstrate this move real quick. Your legs are going to be straight up to the sky. Now, if you have a sensitive back, your knees are going to be bent. Watch what I do with my hips. I'm going to lift, twist in the air, and then drop back down, alternating. Okay, and let's go. Up and twist. Up and twist. Go straight up to the sky. Try not to rock towards your face. Ten seconds here. And good. Feet down, heels together, toes apart, knees wide. Hands behind your head, crunch, squeeze your knees. The squeezing of the knees here gets into the lower abs more, so make sure you're giving a nice big exhale as you draw the belly button down. Keep space between the chin and the chest. Give me two more. And good. Extend the legs all the way. Keep the hands behind the head. As one knee draws in, crunch up, float the bottom leg up, and then drop it back down. Alternate. You got it. Give me 10 more seconds here. Last one. And relax. Keeping your head down now to give your neck a rest. Place your hands underneath your butt to support your back. Take your legs straight up into the sky. Again, if you need to bend them, that's absolutely fine. The legs are going to go down towards the floor and back up. Inhale down, exhale up. Keep it simple. Feel the burn. Let me demonstrate what a modified looks like. Toes dipping down and up. It doesn't have to be a big range of motion. Keep going for me, please. You have about 15 seconds here. Starting to feel those abs yet? Me too, me too. Good, last 5. Last 1. And relax. This next move is pretty intense. I'm gonna bring my legs pretty low, but if you need to have them a little higher, please honor your body there. Keep your hands underneath your butt. And from here, extend your legs out, come into a crunch position, and then float your legs up. Again, they can be up here if that feels better for you. The legs are just going to go down an inch and up an inch. You want to draw your belly button in as the legs are floating up. This is a quick set. You have 10 seconds. Give me one more. And relax it down. From here, keep your right leg bent, left leg is extended. Place the right hand behind the head with your left hand onto the floor. From here, the knee is going to draw in. You're going to crunch up all the way using your bottom arm to help, and then back down. Exhale, crunch. Now, of course, if you can't come up all the way, you just do a small one, right? The point is to keep moving and do what you can. You have about 10 seconds here. And then we'll finish on the other side. And here we go. Ready? Right leg extended, left hand behind the head, and begin. Last move. Again, you can finish here with me, or you can choose to repeat this series over and over and over and over again if you want. Last 10. Yes, you can. Here we go. And you did it. Nice job. See you next time.